For many people that experience violence in their lives, many of them, they're angry and they're looking for ways to express that anger. And so for us, it's about connecting with them, meeting them where they are, helping them understand that the various emotions that they're feeling are normal, but then giving them the tools necessary to be able to express it in healthier ways. All of the individuals who deal with those various aspects of surviving a violent act or being a victim of a violent crime really need folks who understand what they're going through and that can meet them where they are. Then we talk about our young people and our youth being able to have these dialogues in safe spaces where they can express themselves in different ways. And we talk to them about violence, and we begin to recognize how much they have normalized violence in their own life. And so then being able to help them sort of unpack that, but then give them the skills necessary to navigate that in their home life.
The Family Conservancy is committed to increasing access to the mental health support for a unique population. Specifically, we provide therapy to uninsured or underinsured families throughout the Kansas City metro who are historically an underserved population. And over 2/3 of our clients meet the criteria for trauma and stressor related disorders. And simply put, trauma impacts a person's entire overall functioning and day-to-day living and can be lifelong. So by employing evidence-based therapies, our expert staff and therapists are helping children and adults process this trauma. And that's in hopes to mitigate that ongoing stress of the experiences.
When you support a family member to be able to have rent, when you support that family member to have birth certificate for their children so that the children could go to school, you help that family member to pay light bill. That means actually you have stabilized that family to stay. And also the policies that we put in place, creating a welcoming place so that everybody who comes there is able to express their culture, not being able to feel distant. The importance of giving trauma treatment to the individuals who struggle with trauma is that they are able to recognize it. Because without recognition, without them recognizing that they have trauma, they are struggling with generational trauma or livelihood trauma, they will never be able to move forward. And that is why the mental health providers should be able to provide that impact early.
There's so many things that are involved with individuals who have survived violent acts and who are in our community that have suffered this tremendous trauma that is going unchecked. And so for us, it's about reaching those folks the best way we can, in addition to not only those who are directly impacted, but those who are indirectly impacted as well, because the community feels that too.
We really applaud the Health Forward Foundation setting this strategic direction with their theories of change in each of their impact areas. And we recognize that they are a fantastic thought partner when it comes to supporting our underserved communities.
That sharing of resources gives us a community.